Hi everyone, I am Nilanjan from Indian Institute for Human Settlements, Bengaluru. I am going to talk about factors influencing caretaking decisions in Indian slums. The aim of the review was to assess the existing evidence on healthcare seeking decisions in Indian slums and identify the factors influencing such decisions. I have used a rapid review on which 72 papers from openly accessible academic databases is retrieved, of which 38 papers were excluded from the detailed review. Rest 34 papers meeting the eligibility criteria have been included in the study, noting that maternal health and mental health related reviews were not included in this review. Detailed review indicated that there have been many quantitative studies as compared to the qualitative that have been documented healthcare seeking behavior among urban poor in India. The three important elements that were studied in this review were firstly, illnesses. How do urban poor perceive an illness? What are the different types of illnesses researched or found prevalent among urban poor? Secondly, healthcare seeking decisions, the pathways of healthcare seeking decisions and factors influencing such decision making. Finally, urban healthcare provider, the presence of various types of urban stakeholders delivering healthcare. Coming to the results, the review found there are many illnesses prevalent among urban poor living in slums are of both communicable and non-communicable in nature. In communicable diseases, HIV, AIDS, tuberculosis, fever, diarrhea, malaria, measles, respiratory tract infections, among others. In non-communicable diseases, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, cardiovascular diseases, cancers, asthma were found prevalent in slums. In the right-hand side, we see the framework that shows the factors influencing delays in seeking decisions. It has identified factors using the three delay model, that is, delay due to perception on illnesses, delay due to perception on healthcare providers, and delay due to provision of adequate care. Factors that influence perception on illnesses are social and cultural meaning of illnesses, recognition of early signs and symptoms, perceived causes of illness, economic cost of illness, illness disclosure, and finally gender and religion differentials. These often lead to seeking care from unlicensed or unqualified providers. Home remedies and self-medication practices were also being practiced. Pharmacists are being considered as a treatment provider as they consult without any consultation fee and at the same time issue medicines. They were used interchangeably or practiced at the same time. One of the important factors is severity of the illness, and upon recognizing the severe signs and symptoms by self or primary caregiver, lead to seek care from licensed or specialized providers. The factors that influence delay due to perception on healthcare providers are kind of single-minded focus, reporting of illness, physical and social access, acceptance of modern healthcare services, perception on care providers such as labeling healthcare providers' reputation, previous experiences with providers, quality care and better care. Further, formal education of primary caregiver, gender and time also matters in making decisions based on the perception on healthcare providers. Further, if the illness was not cured by either home remedies and self-medication or unlicensed providers. Some individuals do change their decision and often relied on visiting another unlicensed provider or specialized providers, provided that the care is affordable and cash availability in their hand. Further, the factors that influence delays due to the provision of adequate care are prescribing medicines without diagnosis, delay in referral, etc. In conclusion, the findings of the review reveal that there was a need for more concrete evidences on healthcare seeking decisions in Indian slums to improve access to universal urban healthcare and coverage. Here, with this note, I conclude my presentation. Thank you very much.